This is not just cotton. This is the beginning of a journey from nature to creation. It starts in the fields, where soft cotton is carefully hand-picked under the warm sun. Then it moves forward, where machines separate the fibers from the seeds and impurities. The cotton is cleaned, aligned, and refined step by step. Slowly, the loose fibers begin to transform. They are drawn out, twisted, and shaped into fine thread. Thread that carries the effort of many hands and machines. And in the end, what began as a simple plant becomes something powerful. It becomes the fabric that builds our daily life.